Hi, it's Darnell with Wave Oven Recipes, and today I'm going to be doing a fried egg in the Kalorik MAXX air fryer grill, and I'll show you how to do that even though you can't use the grill plate. So let's get cooking right now. So for this cook, it only requires an egg, so I've got one large egg here in the bowl that we'll be using when it's time to throw that on. And I'll be using some extra light olive oil to keep things non-stick. I did want to show you the grill plate. That can't be used because it's got holes in it. And I know some of you are thinking, oh, you could throw some aluminum foil on that, but if you know about aluminum seeping into your food, you may not want to use aluminum foil. And some of you may know about some of the non-stick materials used on some of these plates that don't make them very helpful either. So the grill plate isn't going to work simply because of the holes. But what I have here is the bake pan, and even though it's not right on top of the basically heating elements as the grill plate would be, on the lowest rack level, it'll suffice. And so I'm going to basically turn the cooker on, hit the oven button, go over to grill, and I'm going to adjust the time down to 10 minutes. Sorry for the beeping, I can't stop that. Going down to 350 on the temperature because we don't want to fry our egg up too quick on the grill. And so I'm going to hit start and let things preheat for about 5 minutes. Lord willing, it'll be at 350 after about 5 minutes. Then I can spray some oil and get the egg on there. Alright, 5 minutes passed, opening up. And spray some oil down on the bake pan there. So that things don't stick. Take my egg, throw it on. It's kind of moving to the front, unfortunately, but we'll just kind of let it be. Guess I could have held things level to make sure that it wouldn't fall forward like that, but you can do that when you do yours. But we'll see how things do. And it took just a few minutes for it to reach 350, but I let things keep going for a full 5 minutes to give it a good preheat. But I'm going to let it go ahead and cook and bring you back in a moment. Okay, I've let a little over 3 minutes pass, and I think it's already done. So I'm opening up here just to take a look. Looks like maybe it could use the last, well, one more minute maybe. I'm going to let it just go 4 minutes. I usually do, when I grill eggs in any type of cooker on a grill, I do about maybe 4 minutes at 350. So 1 minute is there just in case I need it, but I'm going to let it go till this minute is passed and then go ahead and get it out. It looked like it was just a little, maybe just a little runny on top, and so I'm going to go ahead and get it now. I think it's going to be good enough. So let's go ahead and see what we can do here. I guess I could do the last minute. You see that there? I'll let it do that final minute. Let it get a little more solid in there. So 5 minutes, 350 for this one. We'll let it finish. Alright, so now the time is up. I'll go ahead and get in there now. I think we'll be able to better work with this. So this is our finished product there. So you can tell me what you think. I'm going to go ahead and try and get it off. I think, I don't know if I have much spray at the front here, but we'll see if I can get this off without disturbing things too much. And see that my yolk is still kind of runny there. So that's our finished egg. We'll go ahead and do a quick taste test. So thank God for a grilled fried egg, and let's taste. See if I can cut my egg with a knife. I mean with a fork. What am I talking about here? Alright, so let's taste. Alright, so good fried egg there. Can do that on the grill. Basically the grill function with the plate, the grill plate, the bake pan I mean. You can basically use the bake pan instead of the grill plate to fry your egg up and everything turn out nice. And so now you know how to do that. You can come up with your own ideas for breakfast or whenever you just want some fried eggs or grilled eggs. And so nothing in this video is sponsored. In the video description, lots of ways to help the channel, such as cookbook, merch, membership, donations, link to the Amazon shop, pay the same price, help the channel. And so also on my blog, superwaveovenrecipes.com, that's superwaveovenrecipes.com, you can find lots of recipes there. And with all of that said, if you did like the video, please give it a thumbs up, share the video with a friend, leave your comments, subscribe to the channel, hit that notification icon, and good eating.